Welcome back, guys.
Hello.
We are on Harry and Lauren's takeover at Tackeroo Cannock Chase, but we've had...
Don't tell them, but we've been and got some chips. We've been at work all day and not eating, so we've nipped out to get some chips. Shh.
We've got to go and socialise in a minute as well.
We'll take you around with us. We'll show you Tackeroo, which we've shown you before. It's an amazing site, but obviously there's lots of special guests at this one.
And food comes first.
2 seats forward, sunrise breaking the night. Mountains breathing, lakes holding the light. We don't chase noise, we
Loads of drinks and put out, bless them.
2 seats forward, just us and the drive. Yesterday far away, engine humming soft and low, every mile a place to grow. Dusty highway stretch and unwind. New horizons, what we're hoping to find. No destination, just a journey's call. Standing taller, rising after every fall.
Paul's gone to work, so it's just me and Rusty. Oh, it was amazing last night, so we didn't stay on too long on the GoPro because we were... Oh, GoPro. We don't even use a GoPro. This is me, morning, menopausal, tired. I'm showing you the reality of just waking up in a van. My hair is sticking up. Rusty's is sticking up. Isn't it? We met some lovely people last night, honestly. So welcoming. Lots of people do YouTube channels who have come. Some have made it, some are trying. Met a lovely couple last night called Joe and Mark. Saw us sitting together and they invited us to come and sit with them. So we had a great night with them. I'm going to have a better night tonight. So they're called Joe and Mark's Travels. They've just started their own little YouTube, going around in their van all across the UK and Europe. Lovely person. Oh no, he knew I was filming without him. He's back. You just sniffed the camera, didn't you? The DJI was out.
Some of us are Saturday morning grafters, mate.
So Paul had to sneak out to work at what time?
Sorry, I don't understand.
Oh, no,
I know he doesn't understand. What time did you get up?
4:30 I left here.
Did you say the deers were watching you?
The deers. It was spooky, there was nobody about.
No, I was just saying how lovely it was last night, wasn't it? I mean, we couldn't stay up too late because you had work today, but we are just going to socialise late tonight. Where's he gone? But yeah, it was, yeah, people are lovely. This is why we do it, this community. So if you're into van life or thinking about it, definitely do it. There's definitely a social side to it, without a doubt. People go out, they sit round all on their little chairs. Advice, get a good chair. Get a good chair because you're going to sit in it when you're doing this life. Oh, he's missed his dad, look.
Get a good chair, Rusty. Get a good chair. You've got a good chair.
He is like a bear. And that's just Paul.
Bum bum.
Someone has disappeared. You can spot him. He's found a hole to dig. Oh, he's getting told off by Dad. There's loads of vans here for Harry and Lauren's takeover. Gonna have to get the boss to take you out for a tour. Oh, there's my morning hair again. Do get quite tan from this van life, you know, without even realising. You catch the sun even in when it's shady out there. Shows all my wrinkles. This is real fan life. No thumbnails. The boobies out. This is it.
Whoa, the sun has now come out and everybody has got the bacon cooking. So this, as you all know, because we've been here before, is Tackeroo. Woodland, grass and some hard standing pitches. There we are, right underneath the trees. Rained all night, but now it's meant to be a lovely day. Here she is, all glammed up, and it took 2 hours. All the different types of vans, it's nice to see. Not just camper vans, motorhomes, little transporters, some bongos. Lovely to see a different array of vans. Now you wouldn't have heard Sabrina, but she said, do you like a new top from Fantastic? Can't wait to go to a show and a festival that have these tops, jumpers, hoodies.
Yeah, I've got loads of them.
But yes, this place is a place to be. We're going to go on a walk now with Rusty. Just having
We're
a,
having a nose at the vans, aren't we?
having a little
But
nose.
they're all
from
out
the-
partying till late, so I think everyone's in bed. What time is it?
11 o'clock.
Oh, when I was that young, I was up and at 'em with you.
Just these kids are today.
Aye, have a hangover.
1:30, 2 o'clock in the
I've
morning.
got a couple of hours sleep, back up at it. Moan all day, I was dying from hangover. These young'uns.
Nice little trekker there. I think that's Joe and Mark's Travels.
Oh, that's lovely. They like that.
Going to drop them a sticker off now.
Are they in bed still?
And wake them up. Just drop it on the floor there by the van. What's occurring?
So, I purchased a bigger jet boil, the Fire Maple. So we've been using the OEX for a couple of years now, but we have gone a bit bigger, which I still use this one for cups of tea, but actually there's no facilities here, so I'm just boiling the bigger one for some water to wash up. But yeah, it's massive, look at that. Mummy jet boil, Daddy jet boil. Daddy Paul's outside. Sun's starting to come through. It is 11:30 and it seems like campers are finally arising from their beds. 5 hours later, it's still boiling, so there is a difference from the bigger one. It does take a while to boil. What are you doing? So I'm being healthy this morning. I'm having some veg, yoghurt, strawberries, oh gosh, with some honey.
Here we go again. A little walkies round the site. See what's about. There's a lot of food cooking. Making me hungry. What got for dinner?
There it goes.
Burgers today. Burgers.
The boys are waiting for their food. So we are going to get cooking outside on their Cannock. Oh, they're smooching. Someone's hungry. So we're having some burgers, smash burgers, and some sweet chilli skewers. You getting hungry?
It's yeah, not as much to eat there, but
Right.
double chop.
Why are you splatting them?
So they cook quicker.
Splat burgers. Rusty's tired, he's been running around in circles. He was looking to go to bed.
Those morning birds, the morning after. It's not been our normal video. We've had some right drama this weekend. Buying cars, faulty cars, kids. So we're going to cut this video short. We are going to head home and face the music and see what happens with our new car.